We're doing it on the Nexus. It's Let's Duel versus ArchEnemy. I'm ready. Dude! Oh yeah.
You know, fix completely.
So yesterday I was dueling ArchEnemy, aka Tim, and he was going to work and he was driving and dueling. That's crazy. Well, I need to activate. Pot of Prosperity, I'll banish. Fuck, I have this guy though.
Oh. I'll make you hate me in 5 seconds.
No.
Because I can go whole combo.
Holy
Tactics. I can go whole combo, then steal more. This hint's God.
I'll just set a monster. And then my turn. God
That's it?
dang it. So it's
Oh.
TRI-GOON versus Shit Sword.
You don't know what I'm playing.
But you're playing SWORDSOUL.
You don't know what I'm playing. I could be playing something totally different. Cultivate Pot of Prosperity. Yes.
Ash that.
That's
Oh.
what I did. That is what I needed.
What is that?
Yeah, I'm
Destiny Fusion? No, you're playing Shit Sword.
I'm playing Soul. Make token.
Reveal token and then Synchro Shogun.
Yeah, we're gonna make synchro. Activate effect.
How do you say the last of Grandmaster?
I have no idea.
Yeah, okay. SWORDSOUL Grandmaster, we don't know how to pronounce the last one.
Summon.
Discard special effect to generate a level 4 token.
Yep. Then make the fleur.
Baron de Fleur.
That card is TCG legal, by the way.
This is all TCG?
Yeah,
this is all TCG legal, yes.
The fleur fades now.
You said that your friend has spiced this deck up? Has created this deck?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was, whose effect was that?
That
Fleur?
was Fleur.
Okay.
Once
per turn, you can target one card on the field and destroy it.
I have game. Do you have a way to stop game? No?
Maybe I have a Karibo. Oh, for Fusion Destiny! Sending Celestial and Dasher. And then you got a Destiny Hero Phoenix Destroyer Phoenix Enforcer.
Even with Karibo, I still have game because of
OTK! ArchEnemy wins! Flawless victory.
Because the Fleur's negate, I still have to.
We're doing the deck list after. We're putting it in the description, yeah?
Sure.
Cool.
Sure, because you can't beat it.
I'm net decking this deck.
This net deck. That's why I said, do you have a way to stop me? If you don't, I win.
I dueled. You were on the. Yeah, you called me when I was dueling the guy online. And I made him go second. And then I think I kaiju'd him or something.
You make me go first? Might not be a good idea.
4, 5. What the fuck? 1.
I'll enlist that. Because remember, I'm playing Fusion Destiny. So I can end on the Fleur, which is an Omni Negate, and on the one Synchro, and then still end on the big man himself.
By timeout on siding. Okay, never mind. What? What?
You talking about on siding? I'm set.
There we go. What the fuck? Not letting me side, dude. Siding complete.
You gotta have.
There we go. We'll let you go first.
Okay.
How many hand traps does this deck have? 12?
A lot. Oh, we're gonna summon, activate.
The Moi reveal.
Reveal itself.
Effect Vela.
Chain.
Oh.
The
Chain.
All by the grave.
Chain link. So that was 1, 2, 3. Chain link 4. Infinite permanence. Since I control no cards. Since.
That's still good.
Yep. I will normal summon. Rescue cat. Get the
You imperm me, I'm gonna imperm you. Okay. Summon.
another Moi. Revealing.
Feeling that.
Shit, even though if I stop it, you can still. No, they're not tuners. But if it generates a tuner token, oh wow, it does. You've activated my trap card. Infinite impermanence.
Perfect.
What you gonna do? Utopia? No, you don't. There's I see one of the deck lists. It's all synchros.
Not all.
Oh, yeah.
Not all.
I guess I can't do that.
When I do that.
Yugioh Shogun.
Battle phase. Birdie.
DHDPE. Destiny Hero Destroyer Phoenix Enforcer.
Yep.
Jesus.
Big. He's a biggie beast.
So what is
He's got a.
what's his name for short? Big D?
Funny. Activate.
What? So this is an end phase quick effect from Enforcer. So it's gonna pop. Okay.
Activate.
Dasher reveal special. What? The hell's going on here?
Special.
He comes back on standby phase or something?
Yeah, when he's destroyed by card effect, he comes back on standby.
This card destroyed by battle or card effect.
And he destroys himself by card effect.
You could activate this effect. Special summon one Destiny Hero monster from your graveyard. If he's destroyed by battle or card effect. So this guy needs to be banished in order. Ash, whatever you were doing there.
Just using another effect. Battle phase. Destroy Phoenix. Main phase 2. Best turn. Now the best part is Destroyer Phoenix is on board.
And anytime it's a quick effect, it can destroy itself and a card on the field. Target and destroy. You can destroy both. No, that's a no target.
It is.
It's a non-target. You can destroy both one card you control and one card on the field.
Yep. And
so it pops itself and a card on the field. Non-targeted. Broken. Fractal. And ascend itself to send a 1 level 3 or lower any type of beast. Hit. Effect. Nerval. I'll add another fractal. Normal summon. Right away. Yeah. Enforcer's effect. Yeah, probably good to do that because I would have just sure-egged right away. What?
Enforcer?
Good game. Good game.
Then of course Enforcer. Yeah, no. That's why I said he is a little bit better than Dragoon.
Yeah, he comes back though. But yeah.
Self to come back.
That's a good card. Thank you, ArchEnemy, for the duel. And comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.
What do you think?